Many series and clubs and trails run ToY or AoY, Team of the Year, Angler of the Year series standings throughout the season. So what you need to do is you need to add the leaderboards from the tournaments in those series so that your anglers and participants will be able to locate that and see how they are as far as in the standings and where they rank. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to go to the main page of your club or trail. We're going to go over to the right-hand menu options and click on Tournaments. Then you're going to click on the Series. And then you're going to create a series in the event you haven't created one yet. So you click that Create a Series button, type out your series name, click Submit. So I'm going to bring you to where you can do the series management. First thing you're going to want to do is click the stack of 3 dots up here. Click Edit. It's going to ask you your leaderboard limit, so it's like an aggregate. So if you score like your best 3 of 5, you're going to put 3 in there. If you score all of them, you don't need to put anything in there. Sort order is just going to be how it appears when you're looking at it, like on your app. So number 1 is going to be at the top, number 2 next, so on and so forth. Your series banner's image, just like you do for your tournament banner image, the 1920 pixels by 1080 in a JPEG or PNG. That way they just have something to look at. I'm going to press Save, and then it's going to ask me, or then I'm going to put the leaderboard. So the way we score our series is you can pick a specific leaderboard from a specific tournament and put it in your series. So in the event if you don't score big fish towards your ToY standings, your AoY standings, or if you want to have a specific leaderboard in multiple tournaments throughout the season, you can pick that leaderboard towards a specific series if you have multiple ToY races for your group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the leaderboards button. It's going to say, all right, these are the leaderboards that are inside this series. As of right now, there's not any, so I'm going to click the Add button. I'm going to pick the tournament. So it's going to pick all of my tournaments that are out there. So I'm going to pick the first tournament if I want to. This particular group, I'm just going to pick this top tournament. I'm going to pick the leaderboard, which in this case they have it labeled as the leaderboard. I'm going to pick my point system. So we have 3 possible options. You have score, you have rank, and you have rank plus score. So score is just that. It's whatever the value is on the leaderboard. So if it's a catch, photo, release style tournament with length and you're doing 5 fish, let's say your score is 117.25, then that's what your score is going to be in your standings. Rank is going to be based off of your rank on that leaderboard. So for example, first place is going to receive 100 points. And then you have the ability to determine your decrement for each subsequent place. So if it was a decrement of 1, then second place would receive 99, so on and so forth. And then rank plus score is just the combination of the both. So you're going to have your maximum value based off the points for the rank plus the score, so whatever your actual score is. So like an away tournament, for instance, they'll do a 200-point max plus a score. So if they weigh a 32-pound bag, then they're going to have 232 points. This particular group does it based off rank, so I'm going to pick rank. Maximum points awarded is going to be 100. Decrement of 1. Participation points for a weigh-in style tournament. That's going to be, they're going to receive these points if they receive a 0 in the event they actually don't weigh any fish. For a catch, photo, release style tournament, they're going to receive this many points if they at least submit something to the tournament. And then registration points are pay for play, if you will. So we're going to just put these in here 0. These can obviously come back and be edited at a later time. This particular tournament this particular series is a catch, photo, release, so they do not 0. If they're going to receive points for a quote unquote 0, they're going to get it from the participation. Always scored, participation always scored, and registration always scored. These are only going to come into play if you want this leaderboard to always score in a series style that, for instance, they drop their lowest 2. However, if this is the championship leaderboard you're adding at a later time, you have the ability to always score this leaderboard. Participation always scored and registration always scored. It's just that means you're going to score these points all the time. Those don't necessarily come into play anymore with the way that we have the 0 scoring methods available for those live weigh-in style tournaments. But if you have any questions, then certainly let me know. So we're going to say this is good. We're going to click Submit. What it's going to do is it's going to pull us back to the series leaderboard staff page, which shows me the particular leaderboards, the particular settings on this one leaderboard from this tournament inside this series. And then what you do is you just keep on going, and add more to it as you see fit. The system will do live standings, just like it does on live leaderboard ranks during a tournament. So it is to your advantage to go ahead and add your leaderboards from your tournaments to the series, so that as soon as someone submits or weighs a fish, they receive their points. And obviously those will adjust just like it does in standings in a tournament. In the event you don't get them added before the tournament happens, you can come back in and add them at a later time, and then just let me know, and I can rescore the leaderboard, so those points will adjust. But again, it's to your advantage to do those in advance, so that those points will calculate automatically. And then if you have additional series you need to do, you just come in here and add your, create another series if you need to, and go from there.